Hello and welcome to this podcast. In this episode, we will be discussing how AI can help you manage your digital workloads. My name is Laxman Kafle and I'm a digital geek with a passion for exploring the latest trends and technologies in the industry. Today, we will be diving into how AI can make a big difference in your productivity and overall experience. First of all, let's define what is AI. Simply put, AI in the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. AI can be applied to a wide range of digital workloads, from data analysis and processing to customer service and marketing. Here are some key ways that AI can help you in digital workloads. Automating routine tasks. AI can automate routine tasks such as data entry, email sorting, report generation. This can save you time and allow you to focus on more critical tasks that require your attention. Another is enhanced decision making. AI can analyze large amount of data and provide insights that can help you make more informed decisions. For example, AI algorithms can analyze sales data and recommend the best products to promote to customers. Improving customer service. AI powered chatbots can provide instant response to customer inquiries and help resolve issues faster. This can improve the customer experience and increase customer satisfaction. Predicting trends. AI can analyze past data to predict future trends such as customer behavior or market changes. This can help you anticipate changes in your industry and make productive adjustments to your strategy. So, there you have it. Some of the ways that AI can help you in digital workloads. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, enhance decision making, improve customer service, or predict trends, AI can be a valuable tool to help you achieve your goals. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this podcast informative and helpful.